Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to attract money and how to earn more money. To attract money, the first thing you should have is a positive attitude towards money. Look at the bright side of things. Don't ever think negative about money. Practice positive self-talk when it comes to money, and just by being positive, you will attract a better people to associate with, and those better people will help you on journey to an abundance of money. First thing is believe yourself when you try to accomplish with money. And if you don't believe on yourself, who else will believe? So have a positive attitude toward yourself and the money when you want to earn more money. The second thing is stop worrying about money. So based on my experiences, worrying has no value. Quite often, money issues create stress in our lives that lead us to worry. So it's important to manage stress effectively. I know it all too well. I'm a pretty high stress person and have bad periods in my life where stress practically crippled me. First of all, move your thoughts onto something more positive because whatever you are worried about probably won't happen. If you want to know attract money spiritually, then worry and stress must be controlled. So doing so will bring out your inner strength and resolve. So remember, everything starts between your ears. The third habit in the process of attracting money is be grateful. Create an abundance mindset about what you have. Don't worry about what you don't have. When I get down about something, I think about this phrase. I had the blues because I had no shoes. Until upon the street, I met a man who had no feet. Enough said. Be grateful for what you have and don't dwell on what you do not possess. And an abundance mentality will take you far. Always remember that many people have less than you. So be grateful for what you have. The fourth habit is giving away. When you start making some money, you have to give a part of money to a charity or other people without any expectation. As my mother used to say, you get back twice as much in return as you give. And my mother was always right. But sharing doesn't have to be just about donating money. It can as simple as this. Put a smile on your face and share it with the world. Do a good deed for a neighbor or a friend or an unknown person. That might help you to feel better and to make you a good person to make more money. The fifth habit is visualizing your money. Let's say, for example, when we are going for a trip, we'll start visualizing how the place is going to be and how we are going to spend the 2 or 3 days in that place. So we'll start visualizing while traveling. The same rule will apply to the money also. Attract money into your life by having your goal in mind. Think big and believe if you can envision it, then you can achieve it. As our beloved APJ Abdul Kalam said, you have to dream before your dreams can come true. So think big. We are only limited by our thoughts. And finally, to attract money, wealth, and prosperity, start with the money mindset. Also, with an assessment of your current money state and the ability to visualize money in your future. Finally, it's important to manage your money wisely. Thank you.